Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Bing Image Creator. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Bing Image Creator website. You can find this by searching Bing Image Creator on any major search engine or by typing the specific web address. It is a fantastic, free tool for creating stunning visuals from simple text, perfect for anyone looking to bring their ideas to life quickly and easily. Once on the site, you will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to proceed immediately. For those without a Microsoft account, there is a clear option to create a new one, which typically takes just a few moments to complete. This step ensures all your future image generations and any earned creative boosts are saved to your personal profile securely and efficiently. After logging in, you will see a clean, intuitive interface designed for ease of use. At the top, there is a prominent text field where you type what you want to create, like a whimsical cat playing a tiny piano. To the right, observe your remaining boosts. These are like tokens that allow for faster image processing, and you receive 25 of them daily. Below that, your generated images will neatly populate, ready for review or download. Now, let us create your very first image. In the prompt box, try something simple yet imaginative, such as an astronaut surfing on a cloud in space. After entering your description, simply click the Create button to begin the magic. The system will process your request, typically delivering 4 distinct images within about 15 to 20 seconds. You can then download your favorites or continue experimenting with new ideas for limitless creative fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.